Time stops for no one. Time has no need to rush or go slow. From the moment we wake up until the moment we go to sleep, there should be an urge to fight and not woe. Fight and not weep. We hear these motivational speakers with their struggles and the road to victory, thinking we can do the same and somehow make history of the dream we've craved for so long. Believe that if we never give up and always keep our head up high, that eventually we'll accomplish our goals and reach for the sky. We want to live and feel like we're living, and not be strained in bed with tears in our eyes, begging to not feel so broken and unhappy. Pray to a God and ask for a chance, and hope that no one can see the shattered soul from one glance. You see, I want to be motivated, to the point where no one or anything can bring me down, where the job I work for that causes me to frown won't mean a thing once I reach my dream, where this fuel and ambition that beats in my heart will help me grow and become stronger instead of destroy any hint of happiness and fall apart. I won't lie. At times I feel as if what I have to say and what I think mean absolutely nothing. The life right now is just about making money and trying to survive. And creatively I've been deprived, because I start to feel like this fight to become who I want to be is meaningless. Sad, isn't it? I mean, yes, I can give a smile and distract myself with sleep and videos on my phone at night. But then I don't have the will to fight. Me siento sola. I feel alone. And it's not fair to the ones who love me and fight for me more than I do myself. I need to create more motivation for myself. Not allow my mind to be overcome by sorrow. And I'm not like this, so I'm not just good enough, or who I am isn't what others want me to be. Maybe, hopefully, I can be set free. Not through sleep or death, but by the strength of my determination to push forward. Push for my dream and hope others are there to support it. It's a tough journey, and at times all I want to do is cry. But if I keep going, then I will no longer be pushed into the depths of depression and wish to die. So I will keep fighting and trying to create a life that will make me feel alive.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that video. So if you're joining us for the first time, on here we are trying to use words and visuals to make beautiful that which is distorted. So consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell so that you won't miss any upload that we make on here. And hope to see you in the next one.